Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Alright, I didn't get a chance to put the bumper on the Weaver, as my son calls it, yesterday, so we'll go ahead and get that done real quick. So let's get turned around here. Alright, there's the front over. There's the bumper. We're going to put this fender well on this side, but I need to check that out. So we're going to go ahead and pull that tire. So let me set y'all up somewhere. I'll set y'all up right there while I get this taken care of. Alright, some of y'all know this as a concrete block. Some of y'all know it as a cinder block. Around here we call it a redneck jack stand. Alright, y'all remember yesterday, so we're going to have two 10 millimeters because we're going to lose one. I lost one. Bad thing about it, it was still on the ratchet, so the ratchet is wherever it's at. Okay, now this is the one I pulled off. Maybe I got it in screen, unshot. This is one off the other car. Which one do y'all think I should go with? This one. I'm gonna lay these two 10mm right here beside each other so they can keep an eye out. Well, next thing's next. Let's put the bumper on, shall we? Oh, nope. Let's take these old fog lights off here. Y'all ready to move again? These fog lights have a fillet screw right there. We're gonna have to hang on to that. And they just pop right on out. This one's garbage. What joy. This one's gonna be garbage too. Just as soon as I find the proper tool to make it garbage. That might be the proper tool. Oh. That's not the proper tool. I think I left the proper tool around back, but that one will work. Speak to say, I thought that bracket was welded on. There you go. Good watching out, Mr. 10mm. Left your buddy up there. I knew there was another bolt holding that in. with a freaking body clip in it. Yeah, y'all know what we're gonna do? We're gonna pull this bumper and take that off, put a new one on it. I ain't doing all that. Do any of y'all remember what I done with that socket? There it be. Who'd that be? Baby, shut up. Baby. Baby. Dog, I don't know why you had to be barking at them, but they wasn't doing nothing to you. Oh, goody. I've done killed a battery. Guess that's why we keep these other impacts around. If we keep dragging them through the dirt, they won't be here when we need them. I'm just flat sure enough ain't coming out. I wish I wouldn't have broke my breaker bar. I sure could use it right now. How about we see if we can break a ratchet and knock myself out doing it. Uh-oh. Yeah, I had a little bit of rust in her. Put them right up there. Toss that over there, that over there. Y'all want to watch me? I hope so. Sure makes me feel good when people want to watch what I do. that thumb hurts. Yeah. Looky there, looky there. Did come off. You know, the people who design these things don't think about the rest of us. Well, actually, they probably do. They probably sit there at their little offices on their computers thinking, all right, where can we put this bolt or this clip or this whatever to make it as hard as possible for Joe Blow to be able to take it off. Got a tool that'll cure everything. If all else fails, get a bigger hammer. Oh, looky there, it come out. That garbage is gone. Now the question is, do I remember how all this mess goes on here? Yes, I do. Goes under here like this. Let me just do it this way. That goes through there. That goes through there. It gets put right there. Bob's your uncle. That goes through there. That goes through there. That goes right there. And bam, she's together. We're going to come over here. Put that in there. Booyah. That's done. One more. And if we had one more that wasn't jacked up, like say that one, what do you say? Let's just don't tell him that it's messed up. I don't think he watches my videos anyway. What's that y'all say? Papa, why don't you kids watch your videos? Well, I'm not cool like they are. If y'all wondering why I'm looking around, trying to determine if I can steal one from someplace else. But no need for that, says the American grasshopper. Put a different kind in there. Well, when did I break that? That little tap works the same way. And there is the air down. Bumper's going back in. What? Just use the easier to use one. It's got a fresh battery in it. Why didn't y'all tell me I took them bolts over there? And there you have it. The metal part of the bumper is back on. Move a couple tools out of the way. All right, y'all. I'm hot and I'm sweaty. I ran out of time. I got to go back to work. I'm sorry. Probably won't have time to do this today. Finish it up. Because whenever I get back from work, I got to get my stuff together because tomorrow I am going fishing. I've got a bunch of Temu lures that I need to test out for my other channel, Outdoors with Pawpaw. Y'all go over and check that out. So, I'll be back maybe tomorrow evening. Just depends on how much fun I have on the lake. All right, so y'all stay tuned. I'll be back just like, hey, I told y'all I'd be right back. All right, just a couple of days later, I did go fishing. Didn't catch nothing. Spent a good half a day out just riding around looking for different places to fish at. Rivers ended up being flooding. A lot of rain up north of us. We've had a lot of rain. Weather ain't been too consistent. It was nice that day. It's actually turned off a little cold again. It's going to be even colder tonight than it was last night, but we do have plans to go fishing. Did get some decent footage on some of them Temu lures, though. So I did get my first episode of Catch or Release over on Outdoors with Pawpaw. Y'all go over and check that out. But anyway, we'll get back on the car tomorrow maybe. But until then, this is Pawpaw saying, y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.